got there? What is that?
We've got a rock climber. Yeah, it's a rock climber RC car.
Yeah. Is that the Losi Nightcrawler SE?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the SE, huh?
Yeah. It's and it has lights on it.
It has lights on it?
Yeah. And it's waterproof.
Yes, it's waterproof and it's got lights on it. We'll get it opened up and you guys can play with it.
Yay!
All right, boys. We got the, you excited about your new Losi
Yeah.
Nightcrawler SE?
Yeah. This is the remote, and this how you turn the lights on. This is the thing. I don't know what this is for.
Is that the antenna?
Yeah.
Okay. So we got the Losi SE here. Nightcrawler SE, it's pretty cool. We chose the lime green over the blue. And then, of course, remote, and we've got the manual and a little pack of stuff here.
You have to put batteries right here, too.
Yep, and it comes with AA batteries too, huh?
Mm-hmm.
See, it's got batteries. So we're gonna get this pack open. It looks like it's got a high lift jack, maybe a winch for the front, a few other things.
Oh my God.
I don't think it works, so I think it's just for looks. All right, we've got our Losi Nightcrawler and Axial Bomber. My Bomber came with these weighted wheels and tires, plus the stock ones. So I took the stock ones and put them on the Nightcrawler. You can see the difference in size right there. Man, this thing does so much better with those bigger wheels and tires. It does rub a little bit in here, but it does so much better crawling versus the stock ones. The stock ones are nice because it turns really, really sharp, much sharper than the Bomber, but it gets over rocks 10 times better with these bigger tires. All right, we're sitting here with our Bomber, Axial Bomber. Just got done replacing the trailing arms or the front lower arms. Just got it last week, picked it up brand new with a set of weighted wheels and tires and aluminum kit, and got a good deal on it, so couldn't pass it up. But little Corbin, he busted it in like 20 minutes. Just snapped one of those front lower arms within about 20 minutes. So got those all changed, and gonna order some aluminum ones for the rears because I guess those break. And got a aluminum steering servo horn as well. So we'll start getting this thing going so that it doesn't break and the kids can have some fun. I already fixed it. It's all fixed.
Could I drive it? Could I drive it? Yay!
Go. We're out here with my boys. They're gonna be playing with their Axial Bomber. And then you got the Losi Nightcrawler. So we got those two. I actually took the stock wheels and tires from the Axial Bomber and put them on the Losi Nightcrawler. It does so much better. Doesn't turn as sharp, but it crawls over everything so much better. So boys are gonna have a little fun. The Axial Bomber, we got it. It actually broke in about 20 minutes. Broke the trailing arms off the front axle. So we got some aluminum ones now, and it's doing a lot better. So the boys are gonna play here on our little rock pile and have some fun. Here's the underneath. We got the trailing arms all changed out to aluminum. So hopefully that holds up a lot better.
for one time.
Uh-oh, stuck on that tree.
Daddy, what it for me? Oh, you would have got it.
Oh, it's getting stuck, it's getting stuck. There we go.
Come on. Reverse corn morning. Get back up.
Here we are, we're now at the hill climb. Think you can do it? Oh, wheelie!
Come down there.
Well, we changed out this to aluminum, and just as I thought, the servo stripped out. I kind of thought that servo might strip out because I've read that the stock servos don't do too well, so oh well.